Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your target affiliate application step by step clearly. First, navigate to the target affiliate website. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your registered email address and password. Click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, find the affiliate dashboard. Look for the section labeled Application Status. Click on this section to check your application status. If your application is under review, you may see a waiting message. If you have been accepted, there will be a confirmation notification. For any denied applications, review the reason provided. Make sure to follow the guidelines provided for improvement. If needed, update your application by clicking on Edit Application. Make the necessary changes and submit your application again. After resubmission, check back periodically for updates. If your application is approved, you will receive an email confirmation. Use this opportunity to access affiliate resources provided. Begin promoting Target's products using your affiliate links. Monitor your performance through the affiliate dashboard regularly. Stay engaged with any communications from the Target affiliate team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.